Okay, so the absolute very first thing that you want to do is stop typing with your hands and just start typing with your voice, right at the speed of thought. And so this app, VoiceInk, this is a must if you're going to be using AI because typing, awesome, but really slow. And if we go to pricing, you buy once and you own it forever. And if you look at this comment right here, this essentially sums up this entire app. App is so good. I've been using Whisperflow at $12 a month. This app does the same things. It's basically a one-off payment, which it is, $30 for an entire lifetime. So 100% try it out, 14-day money back guarantee. Once it's downloaded, all I do is I'll click the option command, the one right beside the command button on my keyboard, and I'll just type. And as you can see, it's actually recording what I'm talking about, and then it'll just show up here in my recent transcripts. And all I have to do is just copy and paste this, right? So I could be in, let's say, any application, like say I'm sending an email or I'm using ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, really doesn't matter. I could just say, hey, what's up? My name is Hassan Sharif. I need to send an email to John. And just like that, it's already here. So once you pay for this subscription or at least sign up for the trial, you'll basically be able to set up enhancements if you want, where it can kind of tweak the language that you use. So I'll actually just have this recording while I'm talking so you can see. So enhancements will make it so it can take out maybe some swear words or just buts, uhs, ums, right? So if you don't really care too much about that, it doesn't really matter. You can also transcribe audio and video files, which is really cool. You can go see all the different history that you've had. And then this is what makes this really unique is you actually download an AI model on your computer, and that's how it actually does the entire transcription. It'll actually run it with your RAM, and that's why your computer might actually freeze when you use this sometimes. But ultimately, game-changing technology. This is a must if you're building with AI. So I'm going to release the option command, and as you can see, it actually recorded everything that I just talked about. So this is really helpful, where I can just rant for hours and then have it turned into a more structured analysis. Highly, highly recommend.